Have you ever wondered, if disaster strikes tomorrow, would my food supply be enough? It's a sobering question, isn't it? This video is here to help you answer with a resounding yes. We are going to explore 10 unconventional emergency food storage ideas that are both practical and efficient. Our first idea is canning your own goods. This age-old method of preserving food is not only cost-effective, but also allows you to store a wide variety of items. From fruits and vegetables to meats and soups, canning can extend the shelf life of your food for years. All you need are some mason jars, a pressure canner, and a little bit of time. Secondly, consider dehydrating foods. A food dehydrator can be a great investment. It allows you to remove moisture from foods, thus prolonging their shelf life. Dried fruits, vegetables, and even meats can be stored for months without refrigeration. Third, preserving foods in salt. Salt has been used as a preservative for centuries. It works by drawing out moisture and creating an environment where bacteria cannot survive. You can preserve meats, fish, and even some vegetables using this method. The fourth idea is creating a root cellar. This is an old-fashioned method of storing fruits and vegetables underground where temperatures remain cool and stable. It's a natural and energy-efficient way to store food, especially if you grow your own. Fifth, we have freezing foods. While this may seem obvious, it's all about doing it correctly. Properly packaging and storing food in a deep freezer can extend its shelf life by up to a year. The sixth idea is storing grains in mylar bags. These bags are designed to keep light, moisture, and pests out, making them ideal for storing grains, beans, and other dry goods. Our seventh suggestion is making your own jerky. This is a tasty, protein-rich food that can last for months without refrigeration. All you need is a dehydrator and some lean meat. Eighth, consider storing honey and other natural sugars. Honey never spoils and can be a great source of energy in an emergency. Maple syrup and molasses also have long shelf lives and can be used in a variety of dishes. Ninth, storing water. While not technically food, water is essential for cooking and hydration. Store it in clean, food-grade containers and replace it every 6 months to ensure freshness. Finally, growing your own food. Having a garden not only provides fresh produce, but also allows you to control your food supply. You can even learn to save and store seeds for future planting. In summary, emergency food storage is about more than just stocking up on canned goods. It's about thinking outside the box and using a variety of methods to ensure you have a well-rounded supply of food that can last you through any crisis. From canning to dehydrating, preserving in salt to creating a root cellar, these methods are all practical, cost-effective ways to build a robust emergency food storage. Remember, it's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. So why not start today?